Hey, my besties, how y'all feeling? I hope you are feeling good. I hope you are doing well. The day before Thanksgiving, I hope everyone is having an awesome day, getting ready for whatever festivities you have going on, whether you're in town, out of town, I don't know. But I just wanted to put this video out and finish the girls' room makeover, not makeover, more like a refresh, redo, because last video I let y'all know that I had to move Nia out of the room. So this is to finish up the room, and there's a grocery haul in there because of course why wouldn't I have one, and also some restocking and some other good stuff. And I'm glad that you were here today. I'm glad that you clicked on today's video. I hope you enjoy. There'll be minimal talking in this video, so y'all already know. Just go ahead, either get you some snacks, chill, or get up and clean something if you feel like cleaning something. It's not a very long video. We ain't got much going on here, but you know how it is. You know how I do on my channel. Now, you know what it is, and you know what we do. Let's get it. Hello, besties. You're sick when you forget to push the record button and you're halfway through. Mountain Dew, Pepsi, Orange Crush, sliced cheese, Colby Jack, Mexican, sharp cheddar, mild cheddar, stick butter. I use this to make macaroni and cheese. This giant thing of cheese for the macaroni and cheese that I make for Thanksgiving. We all know Thanksgiving is Thursday. Relish. Peanut butter and strawberry Uncrustables. And peanut butter and grape jelly Uncrustables. I got the Pizza Melt Supremes for hubby's lunch. And picked up 3 of the Devours. White cheddar, chicken cordon bleu, Angus beef, and bacon. Going around here, picked up some wonton strips. I like to put those on my salad. 2 18-count eggs. 2 things of the grapes. I like these ones because they're bigger. Hell of a good dip. 4 cans of mixed greens, glory seasoned for Thanksgiving. 2 cans of Ready Whip. 2 boxes of Jiffy Blueberry Muffin Mix. And 2 boxes of the Honey Jiffy Cornbread Mix. A turkey wing for my greens. Got some peanut butter Bell's Reese's. I got some, what is this? Cinnamon Toast Crunch cinnamon dust and marshmallow hot cocoa. So, and I also picked up the Swiss Miss Unicorn Marshmallow hot cocoa mix. I guess y'all can see where they're going with this, right? Hershey Kisses candy cane, peanut M&Ms, candy canes, cherry. I couldn't remember if I needed garlic or onion, so I just picked up both garlic powder and onion powder. 5 things of pepperoni pizza Lunchables to get the kids through today. String cheese, bananas, 2 things of this sweet and crunchy salad mix, cucumber, honey, 2 of the chicken broth. This all came from John Eagle. 2 boxes of elbow macaroni. And then I got 4 cans of cream of celery soup, 2 cans of cheddar cheese soup, and I believe I picked up 3 cans of cream of mushroom. 2 things of steak, the Reese's Colliders, the Kit Kat Colliders, 2 of the Temptations Jello Lemon Meringue Pie. These are delicious. And I got some of my bougie bread. It is the thick sliced brioche style, Nature's Own. This is delicious. 2 things of boneless pork chops, center cut. A thing of Kerrygold butter for my butter dish. Some sour cream. Y'all already know I'm a little lazy, so I went ahead and bought my pre-diced everything. This is actually stuffing mix. You know, the bell pepper, onion, celery that you put in your stuffing when you make it from scratch. And I also bought some additional. I got some diced celery, some bell pepper, onion, and I think I got another bell pepper. And this here is the generic brand of the Golden Oreos, generic regular Oreos, and then John Eagle had these limited edition candy cane chocolate sandwiches. So I'm guessing chocolate and peanut peppermint, I guess, I don't know. And then we got some Go-Gurts and some Danimals. And that is it for my haul. Unbelievable, people. $412. This is ridiculous. I said corporations are just greedy. That just doesn't make any sense for that to cost that much, and it's only covering my table and a part of the chair. Ridiculous. But you already know what happens now. Time to put it all away.